There are a lot of things you can read and watch about writing. Craft advice, technique, structure, process. Some of it's useful, some of it's misleading. And some things just don't get said at all, either because they're not flattering or because people who have been writing for years have forgotten they didn't always know them. Here are the things you'll be glad someone was straight with you about. Your first draft is going to be bad. Not bad in the modest, self-deprecating way writers talk about when they're fishing for reassurance. Clunky, uneven, with scenes that don't work and dialogue that sits on the page like a lead weight and structural problems you won't even be able to see until you finish the thing. This is completely normal, and it's what first drafts are for. The writers you admire produced first drafts just as rough, probably rougher, and then spent a significant amount of time in revision turning them into the book that eventually got published. The work between a first draft and a finished novel is where most of the real writing happens. Understanding that going in means you don't stop when you hit a bad scene. You write through it and fix it later. You'll hate it in the middle. There is a point, usually somewhere in the second act, where the book you're writing seems irredeemably terrible. The premise seems stupid. The characters seem thin. And you can't for the life of you understand what you thought was good about this idea in the first place. Every writer goes through this on every book. It's not a sign that the book is bad. It's a sign that you're in the middle. The middle is hard. Your job is not to evaluate the book at this point. Your job is to get through to the other side and keep writing. The book you write will not be the book you planned. Characters will do things you didn't anticipate. A subplot you thought was minor will turn out to be central. A character you invented to fill a scene will become someone who has long-term significance. The ending you planned will shift because by the time you get there, you understand the story differently than you did at the start. This is the creative process working correctly. The plan is a starting point, not a rigid structure. Be willing to follow the story when it tells you something completely different. It will take longer than you think. Writing advice often makes it sound like a novel is a matter of daily habit plus enough time. And that's true, up to a point. So much so that my novel writing course starts out working on the habit of writing. But the reality of a first novel is that it takes most people longer than they expected. Don't set yourself up to feel like a failure against an unrealistic timeline. A novel in 12 months is good going for a first book alongside a normal life. Some people take 2 or 3 years. The only timeline that matters is the one that ends with a finished book. If you want support through the full process of writing and publishing your first novel, structure, craft, revision, what to do when you're done, the course for that is in the description below. It's built to take you from getting started with your writing to a finished manuscript with everything you need and nothing you don't.